Welcome to this video on how smart autotransformers stabilize voltage in residential grids. These devices are essential for managing the increasing volatility in modern power distribution networks. Renewable energy sources, like solar PV, introduce rapid voltage swings. Homes require stable 230-volt power, making effective stabilization critical for protecting electronics and ensuring grid reliability. Autotransformers are unique as they use a single winding that acts as both the primary and secondary side. Taps along this winding provide multiple connection points for voltage adjustment. The ratio of voltage in the secondary to the primary side is determined by the ratio of the number of turns. The device switches taps, changing the active turns to keep the output voltage stable despite fluctuations in the input. On-load tap changers, or OLTCs, adjust the taps without interrupting the power flow. This mechanism maintains continuous power, ensuring homes experience zero interruption during voltage adjustments. Microprocessors control the tap changes. A deadband delay allows controllers to ignore temporary fluctuations, executing a tap change only if the voltage fluctuation persists, preventing unnecessary mechanical wear. Smart OLTCs integrate IoT sensors to send data to the cloud via SCADA systems. This allows utilities to remotely manage and optimize grid voltage across the entire residential network. To meet the demands of fast switching in smart grids, engineers are replacing old mechanical parts with solid-state or vacuum technologies. Traditional contacts often suffer from heavy wear. Solid-state changers use thyristors or IGBTs to eliminate moving mechanical parts. These devices offer instantaneous responses, improving the speed and reliability of voltage stabilization. Vacuum OLTCs suppress electrical arcs by utilizing a total vacuum chamber. This design suffocates sparks and significantly extends the electrical life of the contacts. Grids choose between mechanical, solid-state, and vacuum OLTCs based on need. Solid-state offers instantaneous speed and zero friction, while vacuum offers fast speed and low friction compared to slow mechanical systems. Smart autotransformers are essential for stabilizing modern grids. They protect home electronics and efficiently support the heavy penetration of renewable energy sources in residential areas.